Be ready. Start. There is nothing unique about the universe. Is the word universe a cosmic misnomer? Possibly say those who subscribe to the theory of the multiverse, the proposition that the universe in which planet Earth is like a single grain of sand on a vast beach is only one of many, perhaps an infinity of other equally immense universes existing in different dimensions. The term multiverse was first used in 1895 by the American psychologist William James in the context of psychology, not cosmology, and denoted the physical plurality of humankind. However, millennia before that, the concept of an infinite number of physical universes was proposed by the Greek philosopher in the 6th century BC. Earlier, Vedic metaphysics had also posited a similar concept. In the 20th century, quantum mechanics and the discovery of black holes in space brought the multiverse into the realm of modern scientific discourse. Proponents of an inflationary universe have suggested that in the millisecond after the Big Bang, which is largely accepted as the origin of the cosmos, matter continued to expand at different velocities, a variance which could have resulted in a pinching off of different space time curvatures and the creation of an infinity of separate universes. Black hole cosmologists have mooted the possibility that these mysterious phenomena are like wormholes in space-time and lead to alternate universes. Quantum physicists have mooted a simultaneous and infinite sequence of alternate universes created every moment when each one of us does or does not do something, open a door or not open it, go on a journey or stay put, get a new job or continue with the present one. Like ripple spreading endlessly on an endless pond, each alternative universe splits into its own alternative, while the concept of the multiverse remains purely conjectural, more in keeping with science fiction than science fact. Technology is attempting to create the metaverse, a boundless domain brought into existence by the confluence of computer generated virtual reality and AI. The concept of the metaverse and the term itself was created in a 1992 sci fi novel Snow Crash. The writer Neil Stephenson conjured a three-dimensional virtual space in which people could interact with each other and have experience which would not be possible in the physical world. While critics have highlighted the potential dangers arising out of this nascent evolution of the internet, including user addiction and privacy concerns, tech titans like Google and Microsoft are investing billions in the development of this cyberspace alternative to the real world. In 2021, Facebook changed its corporate identity to Meta and announced that it would be investing over $10 billion in developing the augmented reality technology on which the metaverse will be based. Will the metaverse actually come into being? Many computer scientists say that despite the billions being plugged into its creation, there are technological limits which will prevent its realization in the foreseeable future. However, that the idea of the metaverse has been conceived at all indicates the limitless horizons that lie within the human mind, representing infinite realms even beyond the multiverse or the metaverse, the ultraverse. The world is a free and active creation of Shiva. The term Shiv means auspicious and the source of all bliss. The eight attributes of Shiv are self-existence, purity, self-knowledge, omniscience, boundless, benevolence, omnipotent, bliss, and absence of malice, that is, defilement and impurities. Compassion is his nature and love is his being. In the Mahabharata, when Yudhishthir asked Bhishma about the greatness of Shiv, he replies, no less a person than Krishna or Vishnu can describe the greatness of Shiv. And when Krishna is asked, he says it is impossible to describe all the qualities of Shiv because he is the most mysterious of the Trinity of Hinduism. He has infinite names and forms, and even Radha is said to be an incarnation of Shiva. He belongs to every tradition and to no tradition. It asserts that Shiv can be worshipped in any manner, in any place, in whatever form. The reason for the infinite names and forms of Shiv is traced to the fact that wherever the mind goes, whether outside or within, there is Shiv. There is no place without him. He is self proved, the ultimate in all respects and present in everything. According to the 10th century philosopher, Shiv reveals himself in lakhs, crores, 10 crores of endless future manifestations and absorptions to be brought about by Maya, and thus he appears in those very forms. Shiv is almighty, all pervading, omnipresent, and omniscient. He is pure consciousness and exists in the very electric charges pulsating in the nucleus of even the smallest atom of matter. A famous writer in his book The Tao of Physics, comparing the dance of Shiv with the dance of subatomic particles, inter alia says, the bubble chamber photographs of interacting particles which bear testimony to the continual rhythm of creation and destruction in the universe are visual images of the dance of Shiv equaling those of Indian artists in beauty and significance. The creative and destructive powers of Shiv are described by the historian of Indian art. Shiv uniformly pervades all that exists irrespective of whether it is material or immaterial, perceptible or imperceptible. He is both immanent and transcendent in the universe. The universe in his manifestation. It is within himself because all the 36 tattvas, principles, categories ranging from Shiv to Prithvi is within him. There is nothing outside of him. Shiv is present everywhere. Shiv, the pure consciousness, enjoy positive as well as negative freedom. He is free from all constraints on his actions and free to act or not to act. Shiv is perfect and is not required to indulge in work because of some external or internal compulsion or to fill some lacuna. He acts out of his inherent nature and with free will. As a result, the world is seen as a free and active creation of Shiva.